Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So student, today we are going to discuss adverbs of time. Okay. So adverbs of time tell us when an action happen. Okay. So adverb of time, जैसे कि time से पता लग रहा है कि adverb of time क्या करती है, time से related होती है कि कब action हो रहा है. Okay. When an action happened. Okay. So let's take some example. Type adverb of time. Okay. So adverbs, which type of adverbs we will use in adverb of time? Okay. Sometimes, recently, during, always, soon, yet, usually, never, etc. Okay. So let's take some example. Sometimes I used to go out for refreshments. Okay. So sometimes is adverb of time. Okay. Because it is telling about the time. Okay. Time के बारे में बता रही है. Okay. Next. He recently purchased a costly diamond necklace. Okay. Recently. What is telling it? Time. Okay. So ये time बता रही तो ये क्या है? Adverb of time. Okay. Next. He caught eating his tiffin during the lectures. Okay. So during is also telling time. Okay. This is during is adverb of time. Okay. So adverbs modify verbs by answering one of these questions. ठीक है. So नीचे question है when, where, why, how. Okay. इनमें से एक question यहाँ पे आंसर करती है. Okay. So they generally answer these questions when, where, why, how. Okay. जो adverbs होती है इन questions को आंसर करती है. Okay. There may be question, when question, where question, why question and how question. Okay. So let's take some example. When question. Okay. I will eat later. Okay. So which question is arising here? I will eat later. When will you eat? So, okay. Which question is coming here? When question. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे when question आ रहा है. ठीक है. So this is when question. I will eat later. This is answer of when. Okay. So verb is eat here. Okay. And adverb later. Okay. So adverb later is describing verb eat. ठीक है. So that's all for this session. I hope you all have understood well. Okay. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.